Welcome everybody to RDR Sports Cards. We are live Sunday, June the 5th, 2016. We've got a personal box break for Vpow of 2014-15 Panini Preferred, and we are looking for some patches. Good luck, Vpow. Let's do this, kid. Let's get you some patches. Remove that. The garbage can's getting full. All right. Do you want to... usually we save the booklet for last, although Wolf likes to do the booklet first. All right. Empty. Book first? Yes, sir. Can do. All right. And away we go. Good luck. Let's do this. It's going to be a rookie playbook of Cleanthony Early. Cleanthony Early, 56 out of 99. It's going to be single color patch for the New York Knicks. Cleanthony Early. All right. Our first auto is almost fumbled it there. Jordan Clarkson. Jordan Clarkson for the Los Angeles Lakers, numbered 7 out of 10. Nice. On-card auto. Out of 10. Is that a little nick up by his... No, I think that's just the, that's just the image. It's the kind of stone image that they've got. Nice. All right. And for the Boston Celtics, Tyler Zeller. Tyler Zeller. Number 220. 20 out of 20. The preferred signature. And last up, number 250, Mark Price. Mark Price, 32 out of 50. Nice. All right, I'll get these sleeved and top loaded, and we appreciate your business. Thanks, Vpow.